Hey, it's Rudy. I'm back. Finally, it's springtime in Alberta, and whoa. Hang on. First, make sure you stick till the end, because I've got something sweet for you. Okay, let's roll this. Finally, it's springtime in Alberta, and that's when you'll discover what's been hiding under the snow for the last 6 months. Maybe you know what's there, but many times you don't. And you're in for a nasty surprise, unlike this little beauty. Let it be piles of soggy leaves, clumpy clippings from your last cut in the fall, or simply a lawn that has been ransacked by those little critters below the snow. You know what I'm talking about. Whatever you may find, sometimes the task is just too big to handle, and you wish you had professional help to get your yard back on track. Without a proper spring cleanup, you will be playing catch up all summer long in order to get your lawn looking lush and green. Stop spending all your free time and weekends on the lawn, when instead you could be having a blast with your family, playing with the boys, or having great fun with your besties. Here's where we come in. We are the best rated lawn and yard maintenance provider in Edmonton and Spruce Grove. That's what Google says. Backed with our 100% ironclad, risk-free and money-back guarantee, and with more than 20 years of experience in the green industry, we have helped hundreds of homeowners like you to get their weekends back. Plus, let us do your lawn mowing for this summer, and I'll power edge the lawn along your driveway for free. That's a $97 value right there. Take back your weekend and let us take care of your spring cleanup and lawn maintenance this summer. Call 780-218-8134 now or visit youryardservice.com. This is Rudy with Your Yard Service, and I'll be back.